Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here again from Paper Crafting with Enis, and I'm on today with another hostess gift to my hashtag Old School Shoebox Valentine Swap 2024. And this is coming from Stacy Earl, and Stacy is on Instagram, and I will put her Instagram channel information in the description box below or on the screen up at the top or down at the bottom, someplace on here anyway. So with that, let's dig into this. First, I wanted to point out that she covered the box on the sides and on the top with all these cute little Valentine stickers. And I'm going to put the box aside and we will see what's inside. I already cut the box open. And let's pull this out. Okay, so she has it wrapped up in this really pretty heart paper. Oh, look at this. Ooh, look at how cute. Oh, I love this little bag topper she made. Look at that pretty paper. And she's got some lovely cut aparts she'd put on here, the hearts and the key and the glitter love there. So cute. Oh, wow. Ooh, let's get into this. This looks so pretty. Thank you, Stacy. I'm already loving it. Oh, and good. And she didn't use any heavy-duty stickies, so I can reuse the bag or the bag topper. Let me get that out of there. Oh, look at how pretty this is. Oh, my. It's a sweet treat. Look at that. We've got the Reese heart candies in there. And look at this cute little wrap she made on here. She's got this beautiful heart paper and she's got these heart cut aparts here, the glitter and the red with the little polka dots on there. I think you can pick that up on camera. And she's got each one of the little hearts accented with another little gold heart of one kind or another. And this one's like a puffy heart. This one's got some trim in it. And that one has a cute little arrow from Cupid in there. So cute. Thank you, Stacy. That'll be a nice sweet treat for some other day. Oh, and look at this. Oh, she's glued one of the little conversation hearts onto a paper clip. Oh, you know what? There's a card here. So let me get to the card first. I get so excited when I see these because I don't get very much mail like this. So, oh my word, look at this. Oh, is this a card? I'm not really sure what it is. Oh, yes, it is a card. Okay. Look at this beautifully embossed paper back here. Oh, wow. It doesn't feel like paper. It's something else. But it's absolutely gorgeous. And she's got this shimmer pink edging going around the edge here. A darling little bow with a heart in the middle. So cute. And the cute little hearts over here. And then we have XOXO and Valentine in a beautiful pink foil. Love that. And here we go. Oh, good. It's blank on the inside so I can reuse it. Great. It says, Happy Valentine's Day, Enis. Thank you for hosting the Old School Shoebox Valentine Swap. It was a lot of fun, and I appreciate the effort you put into hosting. Stacy Earl. And she is on Instagram at handmade_by_Stacy. I'll give you a close-up of that right there. And I will also add that to the description box, and I will post it in the video here so you can see it a little bit better. But look at this gorgeous 3D card. So pretty. Thank you, Stacy. And she's got all these pretty foil hearts in here. This beautiful scatter. I love it. Wow, such a pretty card. So pretty. And then she has a little glycine bag here. Oh, look at inside. Love. She's got all of these cute little stickers in here. Oh, how adorable. I mean, obviously you guys know I like kitties, so we got kitties going on. We have this beautiful little heart wand. Kissy lips. Little hearts. Valentine calendar. Ooh, these are so cute. A little conversation bubble that says love. Cute little teddy bear with the Valentine heart. We've got love here. I love these stickers. They're so nice, and they feel like they have plastic on the top of them or something to keep the ink from smudging or whatever. We've got this cute little mail. Oh, here we go. It's a little mailbox. Look at that. So cute. We have cupcake. Beautiful heart box filled with candies, no doubt. I love you hot cocoa or coffee. That's cute. We've got a couple envelopes with love letters. Very cute. Champagne glasses with bubbles hearts coming out. This is really cute. Look at that little heart on a string. Hearts on a string. That's cute. These would be perfect for adding to cards and layers of embellishments. These are pretty. Love these little hearts. Look how cute they are. And we have another heart wand. A perfume or potion bottle. And a little balloon shaped like a heart. So cute. I love them. Thank you, Stacy. And then we have something here wrapped up in another pretty pink tissue paper. Let's see what we got in here. And you know what? You guys don't have to send me these gifts. I mean, I do appreciate them. I actually love them. But it is not a requirement, and so that's what makes it extra special when I get these. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's a little table decoration. Oh, how pretty. XOXO. That is so cute. Look at that. Thank you, Stacy. Oh, look at how pretty this is with the little diamonds on there with the hearts on top. So cute. So we have a sweet treat. We've got this cute little table decoration. A lovely little paper clip. Love the paper clip. Gorgeous card. I never thought to do that on a card. I love especially the way this paper or whatever this is in the back, it doesn't really feel like paper. It's kind of puffy, and it's embossed on there. So pretty. And all of these gorgeous and yummy stickers and the table scatter. So thank you so much, Stacy. I appreciate everything you did for me. I just love it all. And yeah, I'm very much going to enjoy decorating with this and using this card to send out to somebody for some Valentine mail. Yes, that gets me started on my One Stamp Wednesday. Yeah, that's being hosted by Laura from Laura's Plans and Crafts, and I will put a link down below with her hashtag on there so you guys can catch that if you want to be involved in that. So anyway, I really appreciate everybody who's joined my swap, and I'm looking forward to seeing everybody else's entries. Everything I've seen so far has been absolutely stunning, and yes, I love it all, whether it's coming to me or it's going to someone else in the swap. It's just so kind of everybody to participate, and yeah, I just love it. So with that, I'm going to say goodbye, good night, have a good day tomorrow, and I will catch you on the next one. See you later. Bye, Crafty Peeps.